guys, I welcome you to Money Close FX Education YouTube channel, and in this video I'm going to show you this amazing 1-minute scalping strategy. Oh my goodness, it's actually one of the most accurate scalping strategy I have ever come across, and I happened to test it, and guess what, I got all these pips today using this strategy. So if I can do it, you can also do it. Okay, so guys, I'm going to show you step-by-step guide how you can use this strategy to really make money for yourself. Okay, so guys, don't forget to like this video. Don't forget also to subscribe to this channel if you haven't. If you found my channel for the very first time, I urge you to really join us by subscribing to this channel, because I believe and I know this is why you belong, because in this amazing channel we do reviews about strategies. I give you pretty accurate indicators that you can use to execute your orders. Okay, and guys, for your information, there is something happening in forex trading right now that MT4 and MT banned from the iOS, and also I heard that the Android, they're going to take the same steps next week. They're not yet verified. Let's wait and see what will happen. But if you have your MT4, if you have your MT5 on your phone, kindly don't uninstall it right now. This is time to keep all you have and being more careful. They are golden at the moment. Okay, you can watch the video I did about the broker solution, but the news I've told you before, they just came after I did that video, so you can watch that video as well, but keep this in mind. Okay, so guys, let's go right into this amazing strategy called the 1-minute scalping strategy. It's actually based on 1 minute time frame because the market moves real quick. Okay, you can also use this particular strategy on other time frames, but let me focus on 1 minute time frame. You can use it in 15 minutes time frame, 5 minutes time frame, depending on how you're gonna know it. The most important thing is knowing how it works, and then it's going to help you how you can use the strategy. Okay, so guys, the strategy is very easy. Of course, we're going to use tradingview.com, and so we're going to use indicators, and they're not just indicators, they're more accurate indicators. Okay, I will tell you the reason why I love the indicator. So guys, right here we're going to use the indicator by the name PMX indicator. Okay, so just going to click on indicators tab. It's found on TradingView. Guys, some people keep on asking me how you can get TradingView. So on your browser, you type tradingview.com, create an account with them. Once you create an account with them, then click on indicators, and once you click on indicators, you're going to type PMX just like this, and I will show you the one you're going to select right here because they are a lot. So just going to select PMX Explorer, Strategy, and Screener. So just going to click on it. Once you click on it, this is how it appears right on your chart. Okay, the reason why I really love this indicator, guys, is simply going to guide us on how to really execute our orders. Okay, and so you're going to make some changes right here. Click on settings right here. We do some changes here and there, and the ATR length should be 12 and the ATR multiplier should be 4. And then you're going to uncheck the show screener label. You uncheck it, then after that you click on OK, and this is how it looks like right on your chart. And so guys, we're going to use it this way simply because we're going to get our confirmation from the indicator. Remember, this is 1 minute time frame, and the reason why I love this indicator because it shows you the break of structure, and once the structure is broken, it tells you short or long. And shorting simply means we're selling, and long which simply means we taking buy orders. So another thing we're going to do right about now, of course, you know, we must make sure that you're trading in the direction of the trend. So you're just going to add another indicator, which is 200 EMA, which will help us not trade against the trend. Okay, so just going to type EMA. So this particular EMA will help us not trade against the trend. You get me? So guys, as you can see right here, oh my goodness, I really love this. So what we really do when the market is below the 200 EMA, we do look for selling opportunity. When the market is above 200 EMA, we do look for buying opportunity. But we have two indicators right here, which is going to help us to really get accurate entries. So let me talk about the PMX indicator. indicator. So about this indicator, what we'll probably do when the market is below the 200 EMA, we do look for selling opportunity. Keep that in mind. And so as you can see right here, we must see a crossover of the PMX indicator. For us to get a selling opportunity, the blue line of the PMX indicator must cross below the red line of the PMX indicator, and so the price must be below the 200 EMA, and we must get the short signal from the PMX indicator. Remember, for you to get all this, the price must be below the 200 EMA, okay? And as you can see right here, guys, this was the scenario, and the market really pushes to the downside. And so I got into the market at this level. I collected all these pips right here, and you can see the market also is proceeding to the downside. Also, something I noted about this particular indicator, when it comes to certain levels like this one over here, when the price touches the blue indication over here, it's actually being rejected and it pushes to the downside, okay? So let's say you are late getting to the market, you can wait for a pullback, and when market gets to the blue line over here and the market closes below, you can execute your order, guys. And you can see indeed the market is really pushing to the downside. Oh my god, this is so amazing, very easy to use. Remember, you can use this indicator when it comes to all time frames, and also it works perfectly when the market is really trending. Like at this point over here, the market is really trending swiftly to the downside, okay? If you don't have a TradingView account, you really have to create one because you don't have to miss all these opportunities, okay? So let's have an example when the market is really rising, okay? So for us to execute our buy order, we must make sure we're trading the direction of the trend. So the market must be above the 200 EMA for us to take buy orders, and the same, there must be crossovers to the PMX indicator. The blue line of the PMX indicator must cross above the red line, and we must get the buy signal when the price is above the 200 EMA. So for instance, right here we got long orders when the market is above the 200 EMA. Where do you put your stop loss? You put your stop loss just below, the 200 EMA, and some people do wait for a crossover of the PMX indicator for them to take their profits, but that does not work most of the times. So you can target your next resistance zone if you're buying, and if you're selling, you can target your next support zone, okay? So guys, that's all about this indicator. It's very, very accurate. Kindly test this on your demo account before going live, and you can have various example right here. And the price is above the 200 EMA, and there is a crossover of the PMX, get your buy signal when the price is above the 200 EMA. So if those rules are not met, don't take your trades. All the rules must be met over here. A very good trade over here, the price is indeed below the 200 EMA. There is a crossover over here of the PMX, and there is a short signal, and indeed the market pushes downwards. Here again, we have a market above the 200 EMA, the crossover of the PMX, and indeed the market pushes to the upside. So guys, that's how you can use this indicator. It's very, very accurate, and it will generate you money if you use it correctly. So guys, bye, see you in my next video. Don't forget to like this video, don't forget to give me a thumbs up. See you in my next video.